Hey guys, so today I have another unboxing video. Excuse me, I'm a little bit sick, but finally got almost 2 months later. uh, I finally received this order. And the new Avantasia Earbook. It's a picture of Toby signed. I ordered this from the official store from Avantasia, from Toby. So I got the earbook edition and a t-shirt. Let's see. This is the one that I ordered. It's very good. I like it. It's a little more simple than the other design that they have. Um, they are both here on this. This is the other design. I actually like this one better. I've seen most people get this one. But hey, everybody's got different tastes, right? So here we are. Here we are, and here Be Dragons. Finally. Let's see if I can open this. Okay. So it's become some kind of a regular thing to that a lot of people are, I think that what happens is like that a lot of people has been complaining about before they wanted more Avantasia, right? And now they want Edguy. So you can never win with people, right? I mean, we are difficult creatures. So, um, I mean, if he goes back to doing more Edguy, I'll be happy too, you know. I'm a fan of both. I don't know why this feels a little bit smaller. It's the same size. So here Be Dragons. I've seen people also talk trash about the cover artwork. I don't know. I don't get it. So, reminds me a lot of the Scarecrow, right? This one includes 3 discs. Uh, First is the album. Second, it includes Return to the Opera and Against the Wind on piano, and Bring on the Night 80s version, extended version of Creep Show, sorry, and then Reach Out for the Light, Lost in Space, Promised Land, and Farewell Live on live in 2024. And the third disc is an instrumental version. It's Tobias' first album on Maple Records, which I'm not friend of. um, I've had my issues with them before, and now I cannot buy anything from them directly. So, are the three discs. This is a huge book. So yeah, cool design. I'm glad that Tommy from Camelot is featured on this one, and uh, also that Adrian Cowan, um, actually Adrian's band, um, Seven Spires, their album, last year's album, A Fortress Called Home, that was my 2024 favorite album. So here is the everybody names. Okay, of course Toby, Sacha, Arne Wigan, guitars on track 3. Miro Rodenberg, Felix Bunke, Adrian Cowan, Herbie Langhams, Chiara Tricarico, Ronnie Atkins, Bob Catley, Tommy Karovic, Roy Kang, Michael Kiske, Kenny Lacrimo, and Geoff Tate. Man, I think this is beautiful. I don't get people. Everybody's got their different taste. Everybody is allowed. If they don't like it, they don't like it, of course. As long as it is your own opinion, I'm good with that. But if you go to somebody else's opinion and then make your own opinion about it, and that's really, what's this? Oh, okay. So, as always, Toby always delivers great content on these books, with all the stories and everything, you know, pictures. It always includes a lot of content, right? So yeah, art sketches, I suppose. Lots. I mean, this book is huge. Wish you would make a DVD of all the festivals they played last year, and I think that they'll be playing this year also. That'll be great. Alright. Make like I don't know if you're familiar with the band Kiss. They some years ago they put out these huge um, 3 volume DVD packages, box sets. Each one included like 3 or 4 full live shows. That will be that will be good for these guys. I mean, their live shows are amazing. I've only seen them twice, both times in Costa Rica, because they don't come to my country. I don't think in my country there. I don't think that there are a lot of fans for this band. So I think show an Avantasia show in Honduras, it will not be a full show or sold out. Not even close. Not even close. But well, here be Dragons. Uh, the tracks. I think that the song that I like the most right now is The Witch, actually, and Avalon, probably. So yeah. Well, here you go. Thanks for watching, guys. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any opinions, I'm glad to read those. So yeah. Have a nice day. See you.